this is an update on my minoxidil use. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I spoke too soon. Okay, I spoke too soon because tell me why. Like I'm 5 months in and the side effects are coming out. The side effects are now coming out. And trust me, I did my research. I never knew that most of these people in this video, they were not really being honest. They were almost like taking care of the side effects before making the video. So I'm going to be telling you guys, I'm going to be giving you an update, okay, so that you can make your choice if you really want this or no. Okay, so let's start. This is the minoxidil that I use. It's the Kirkland minoxidil right here. Okay, and did I say, yeah, I'm 5 months in because I stopped for like a month, let's say 3 weeks, and I started using it again. So yeah, we're going to talk about all the side effects that I noticed. First of all, I noticed that it gave me headaches. And the reason why I noticed it because the first time that I took it, headache was like a lot. It was like a lot of headaches, okay? Well, it lasted like a week, but not every day. Just like, let's say 3 days or 4 days, I would have these headaches, right? So I noticed that it is actually the minoxidil. I use the liquid minoxidil, like the serum. Okay, this is the one I use right here. I use the serum. I was getting these headaches. How I know is because when I waited like a month, and now I went back to using minoxidil, this headache came back. Okay, so that's how I know. But the major problem for me right now is that I'm turning into a gorilla. I'm telling you guys, look at the hair on my arm. Like, is this not even crazy? Like, I have hair all over my body. Like, I'm a very hairy person, I know, but the hair on my body has never been this much. Okay, so the major side effect for me that I'm not really rocking with is the fact that I have hair all over my body. My face, like, look at my eyebrows. My eyebrows are turning into unibrows. But let's just take a moment to appreciate the fact that my eyebrows are now fuller. Like, I didn't draw it in. This is my hair. This is all my hair. I just use edge control to lay it down. Okay, I used brow tamer to tame it. That's all I did this when I was doing my makeup. But like my face, I have hair growing on my face. The first time, let me just say, the first 3 months, I have beards. I have hair. I was say beards like growing on my face. That is crazy. That's so crazy. Like you see, I'm so passionate about it because I don't know what to do. Like, which one do I choose? Do I choose? Look at my edges now. Like, my edges are back. They are like, down. They are grown and all. Thank God for that. I'm happy for that. But why am I growing hair all over my body? I thought that if you don't spray it all over, like on your body, the hair will not grow. I never knew that. It doesn't even matter. Even if you are so, because I'm very, very precise when I'm using this. Like, I make sure that I always put it on my forehead, in my what's it called? This middle part right here. That's how I use it. Come to find out, I started growing hair all over. Like, if I shave down there, in 4 days' time, the hair is already full. So what am I gonna do? Like, and I don't think it's going to go away anytime soon. I feel like the hair is going to continue growing like that. I mean, before I didn't used to be able to do this hairstyle that I would do, like leave my hair and comb, but now I'm able to do that because my edges are grown and I'm so happy. But I think I might have to choose between this ape thing. All those racist people that used to say black people are monkeys, they must not see me in my downtime because I'll just prove them right. Right? It's crazy. It is crazy. So yeah, the only side effects that I notice and I don't like very much is the fact that I am now growing hair all over my body and I do not like it. I only want the hair on my head. Is that too much to ask? Huh? Is it too much to ask? But anyways, the product works. So if you've been waiting for somebody to convince you to buy the products, I am 5 months in and I can say that it works. Yeah. Of course, you might have to use it for the rest of your life. Everybody knows that. Just the same way you have to do skincare for the rest of your life because nothing is permanent, because we regenerate as humans. it's not rocket science. It's that simple. So, but if you know you're a type that you can't keep up something, you just have to probably look for something else to grow your hair. Maybe explore other options like hair transplants and those things. But yeah, that's all I have to say. So if you've been waiting for a sign, you can get it, because if you're a guy, for instance, this is your sign, because nobody is putting pressure on you for growing hair all over your body anyways. The pressure has always been on us. We're the one that have to bother about growing hair all over our body and stuff. Yeah. So for me, I am going to continue using this because I see the results. I like the results. I saw one woman on TikTok, like she grew hair all over her face, and guess what? She shaved the hair off and continued using minoxidil. So you have to pick your struggle, and yeah.